If your resume isn't getting responses, the problem might not be you. It might just be what your resume looks like. In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI-powered tools that will help you create clean, professional, and even ATS-friendly resumes. Completely free and beginner-friendly. You won't need to sign up just to try them. Let's talk about why this matters before we jump into the tools. Your resume is your very first impression, and in many cases, it's your only one. Whether you're applying for internships, freelancing jobs, or your dream full-time role, your resume speaks for you before you even enter the room. But here's the thing, the job market is getting harder. Automation is increasing, and your resume isn't even being seen by a human most of the time. That's because companies now use something called an ATS, an applicant tracking system. It's software that filters resumes before a person ever reads them. Your resume could be disqualified just because it wasn't formatted properly, or it used the wrong wording. That's where AI writing tools come in. They help you write resumes that use the right keywords, are clean and easy to scan, are ATS compliant, and take less than 10 minutes to build. Alright, let's walk through 5 free resume builders you can use today. No sign up or credit card needed for basic use. Tool1rezi.com. Rezi is one of the best known AI resume builders out there. What's great about Rezi is that it specifically focuses on being *ATS-friendly. Create an account in Rezi for free using your email or Google or Facebook account. You can create resume, cover letter and resignation letter. Cover letter is limited to Pro Edition. Let's start with resume. You have different options to create a resume, either from scratch or by importing your resume or from LinkedIn or from resume templates available. Let's look into resume template of a software engineer. You can choose from modern, clean templates. You just input your job title, and Rezi uses AI to suggest bullet points, summaries, and even skills relevant to the job. You can edit the template by updating your personal information, experience, skills, education, and so on. Let's try editing THR information. Please make sure you save the information. Then you can use the preview option to view your resume and the ATS score. Once settled, you can download your resume for free. No watermark, which is rare. You will need to create an account to save your progress. But you can test the builder out right away, making it a great tool to try before committing. The only limitation is you can download up to 3 with a free account. Use Rezi if you want your resume to pass automated hiring filters. Tool2resume.io. Resume.io is one of the easiest platforms for beginners. Even without signing in, you can hop into the builder and explore a huge library of modern templates. You choose a template, click through each section, and fill it out step by step. What makes resume.io stand out is their real-time editor. It helps you catch grammar and layout issues instantly. You can test resume creation with no sign-up. To download or save, an account is required, but for testing layouts and writing content, it's perfect. Similar to the other one, it has options to create, upload, go with LinkedIn, create from example. We will go with create from an existing template and just enter your email ID to start editing. We will start with a data engineer resume. You have section-wise split up. Start with personal details. Edit the required ones. It has sections for experience, skill, education. You have options to show expertise level and to exclude that too. Once done, you can use the AI review option to see how strong or weak your resume is and modify according to the suggestions. Once set to go, click the download button to download your resume to the required format. This is a strong option for design-focused resumes built quickly. Tool 3 Kick Resume. KickResume is another AI-infused resume builder with a beautiful interface, where you can start without login or sharing email id. You choose your design, and the tool walks you through writing each section with tips and examples. It also includes a personal website builder if you want to extend your resume into a mini online portfolio. KickResume does require email sign-up to download, but the full resume tool is open to explore and use without login. You can either pick a template or add contents with AI. We will use a template and start. You can customize template color, photo requirements, layout and field. Choose a template from the existing options. We will start with a new resume. You can even try uploading your existing resume and work it out. Start with editing basic information, then move to next sections. Use Continue button to go to the Experience section. If you want to skip a section, just press Continue and move on. It will go to the next section. You can choose your education and enter the details. Then update your skills, summary and additional information if any. Once finalized, download your resume to the required format, ideal for students, freelancers, and creatives who want fun but still professional resumes. Tool 4 Zeddy. Zeddy's resume builder works like a guided wizard. It asks simple questions about your experience, and then helps you craft job-specific content. It especially excels at entry-level resumes or when you're re-entering the workforce. There's no sign-up to start testing, but downloading your resume does require an account. You can either create a new CV or improvise your CV. You can optimize by choosing the template, photo, column, style, and they will suggest you personalized ones. Select a template and start editing. As usual, basic information. Add your LinkedIn or website if required. Move to Experience and update the same. Update your education and skills. You will get several options. Once done, move to Summary and additional information. Once set, preview and change and try template if required. Finally, you can download your resume to the required format. Zeddy is best if you need writing help and structure. Tool 5 Haration.com. Haration gives you a smart building experience where your edits and changes are reflected instantly. In the preview, its AI copilot can even grade your resume as you build it, suggesting real improvements based on job descriptions. You can start with a new one or edit your existing CV. Choose the required template and start editing your information from summary to certification. Section-wise. There is an AI feature which helps you to edit or rewrite with ChatGPT. There's a login wall for downloading, but the editing experience is free to use. Think of Haration as a resume coach built into a writing tool. Final tips. Before you submit your resume anywhere, do these quick things. Make sure the formatting is simple and clean. Always tailor it to the job description. Run it through a free ATS checker like Resi. Save it as a PDF, not Word. Most importantly, remember your resume is a living document. Update it, polish it, and test it again every few months. All the tools mentioned today are linked in the description. Some even offer free bonus features for students or freelance users. Leave a comment if you want a *free Notion resume tracker, and I'll drop the link. Subscribe to the Data Stackdown for weekly free tools, AI apps, and smarter ways to work and grow faster. Thanks for watching.